Okay, check it out. This is the start of the Coquitlam Crunch. This is the parking lot here, and we're about to hit the steps, which is coming up. A lot of steps here. We're gonna do a step counter. I think it's like 500 steps. So let's do this. Okay, check this out. We're about to do the stairs. We're having fun. See, there's a 25 marker right there. Halfway there. Halfway there. So, halfway there. Keep going. Well done. All right, we reached the top. So, from here, you go back down. That's not what we're doing. We don't do it like that. We keep going. With this trail, I think there's another 1.5 kilometers. You keep going, so it ain't over yet. It ain't over yet. Okay, this is the top of the Coquitlam Crunch now. It's not, there's no crazy view, but you can see down there, you got Mount Baker, right? That's United States. Up here, that's Eagle Mountain. And then there's a neighborhood called Westward Plateau. And there's a couple hidden parks that are around here. There's the Eagle Mountain Park. I used to live around here. I lived here 2.5 years during the pandemic, so I was doing this hike all the time, daily. This was during the COVID. I was here, man, all the time. If you keep going down this path here, you pass a golf course. Then the golf course, you'll find a gate, and that'll lead you to Eagle Mountain, the trail that goes up there to Eagle Mountain. And up there, there's actually a lake, hidden lake called Cypress Lake. And it's probably covered with snow right now. And then down here through those bushes there, there's another area called Burke Mountain. That's where I used to live. So there's hidden gems around here. Once you get to the top of the Coquitlam Crunch, right? Once you get to the top, there's hidden gems. There's no washroom at the top here, but there's bushes and areas here. There's a washroom at the bottom. And like I said, you can keep going that way. They got more trail for you, a hidden park. And yeah, so this is, you don't get the crazy view, but you get views on the way down of just all the mountains. I'm gonna head down now. But if you're a beginner, this is a 10 out of 10 hike for a beginner. You know, parking's real easy, lots of space on the trail. You might catch a bear. There are bears around here, so you might catch a bear. You might catch deer around here, so you get potential wildlife. But a lot of people walking their dogs, and yeah, get hungry. Let's head back down.